Good evening friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are good. Today we discuss small topic in Python. Topic name is prime number. We discuss today prime number code. What is prime number and see the example code. Okay, let's get into the video. We discuss prime number. Write a program to print if the given number is a prime number. So, a prime number is divisible by itself or 1 and 1 is called prime number. Prime number is nothing but it is divisible by itself or 1 is called prime number. So that's why only we call prime number. Okay, all of you understand? First example code we need to discuss now. First line contain positive integer. Example input is 3. Output prime number here. Output format: if the input prime, print prime number, otherwise print not a prime number. Input 4, output not a prime number. Now see the example code now. Here giving 6 is the input, so 6 is input, so it is integer actually. So integer convert here type conversion, so where n is equal to int of input. So here taking factors equal to 0. Why we need to take factors? Because of here using for loop for I in range of 2 comma n. So 2 comma n, if n modulus I double equal to 0, so factors equal to factors plus 1. So plus 1 means adding, so factors equal to 0, print of prime number. Here else condition, print of not a prime number. Else condition here, print a not a prime number. I hope you all understand what I am saying in this example code. When we need to call prime number divisible by itself and 1, that's so we need to call prime number. I hope you all are understand. Next topic we need to discuss in another class, nested loops. Okay, thank you so much. Next class, nested loops we discuss deeply. Thank you. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.